In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful intraday trading setups, the 5-minute EMA Squeeze and Momentum Breakout strategy. The 5-minute EMA Squeeze and Momentum Breakout strategy is designed to capture the explosive move that typically follows a period of tight price consolidation. Its primary goal is to catch the first strong move out of a compressed range, signaling the start of a volatility expansion. The strategy operates on the 5-minute chart for precise entries, while the 15-minute chart provides a broader market context. Traders using this setup generally aim for a win rate of 60 to 75%, with trades lasting from a few minutes to a few hours depending on the momentum and volatility of the move. In terms of setup, the strategy relies on a combination of 9 EMA and 21 EMA to determine short-term trend direction and dynamic support/resistance zones. The Bollinger Bands, set to 22, play a key role in identifying the squeeze, a condition where the bands contract tightly, indicating very low volatility and a buildup of potential energy. Volume acts as a critical confirmation tool, as genuine breakouts are always accompanied by a noticeable volume surge. For a long trade, the first step is to identify when the Bollinger Bands pinch tightly, often accompanied by the 9 and 21 EMAs flattening and weaving together. This visual compression indicates that a breakout is imminent. The trigger occurs when a candle closes decisively above the upper Bollinger Band, confirming that volatility is expanding upward. The breakout candle should show higher volume than the previous 5 to 10 candles, signaling strong participation. Additionally, the 9 EMA should either be above the 21 EMA or crossing it aggressively, confirming momentum alignment. The entry is ideally taken at the next candle's open or on a minor pullback to the top of the Bollinger Band, which now acts as new support. The position is held until the first signs of exhaustion appear, such as a bearish divergence on a momentum indicator or a candle closing back inside the Bollinger Bands, which often signals that the move is losing strength. For a short trade, the logic is exactly reversed. Traders wait for a decisive close below the lower Bollinger Band on strong volume, with the 9 EMA below the 21 EMA or crossing down aggressively. The entry follows the same rules as the long setup, but in the opposite direction. Risk management is an essential component of this strategy. The stop loss should be placed just below the recent swing low inside the squeeze for long positions, or just above the recent swing high for shorts. For take profit, traders commonly apply a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio, for instance, risking 0.5% of capital to target a 1% gain. Alternatively, a trailing stop can be used once the trade moves favorably, allowing traders to lock in profits while staying exposed to potential extended moves. Overall, this strategy thrives during times of low volatility that precede significant momentum bursts, making it a reliable approach for intraday traders who specialize in reading short-term market structure and volume-based confirmations. If you found this useful, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more real trading breakdowns.